Smiley, smiley, little boy, jumping puppy, puppy world. Well, like a fairy tale comes true. It might be your good time. Pumpkin, sweet cake, cookie friends. Well, this is my place for you. Still I remember and seal your December, 'cause I found Mr. Wonderful. I think of happy day. Wake up, lazy birds. Where is your home? Take me there. It makes me feel free, alright. Lonely Polly, don't say bye. Just turn it up, it makes me smile. I need a little time from you. Still I remember and seal your December, 'cause I found Mr. Wonderful. I think of happy days. Still I remember and seal your December, 'cause I have Mr. Wonderful. Hello, hello, little prince. When you walk, I feel like dancing. Well, isn't this wonderful world? Don't be afraid of yourself. I was silly, just be true. It's time to leave it.
I'm going to the dentist. I'm ready. Yeah. I don't know what to do with my hands. I'm going to the dentist. This is a close up. Braided my hair. It's imperfect, I know, but the imperfection is the look I'm going for.
Again. Still I remember and seal your December, 'cause I have Mr. Wonderful. Still I remember and seal your December, 'cause I found Mr. Wonderful. Just think of happy days.
Just gonna do a little bit of research work and complete my work. I'm just so tired right now. I'm feeling like my head will just fall off. But I'll just look up the researches today, write about them tomorrow. I'm just, oh my god. Okay, so anyway, that's it for this vlog. Okay, I just got here in the acute darkness. That's it for this vlog. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such content, and subscribe to my channel, Miss Jayeshi. Okay, bye.